This is Project Jaws, an E.C.D custom Defender 110 built to our client's exact specification. Jaws is painted in full gloss Fuji white with black accents all round. Jaws sits on 18-inch sawtooth wheels with BFG all-terrain tyres. This 110 also features the wide body kit, tubular front bumper with worn winch, 6-point roll cage, curved LED front light bar and a black metal steering guard. Inside, Jaws features a Nardi classic black steering wheel with autocross yellow gauges, 2 Recaro heated and ventilated front seats, a 60-40 split mid-row, and 4 jump seats in the load area. Each seat is wrapped in a horizontal single-stitch tan leather. Jaws is powered by our LS3 engine with 6-speed automatic transmission. This 110 also features the usual array of E.C.D modern conveniences such as Apple CarPlay and a JL audio sound system with USB ports all round.